Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pooja's Art World. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'll show you my art collection. So this is the collection of my brushes. I use them in all type of paintings. This collection have knives also, which are used in making abstract painting. So this is the collection of my art materials. This is watercolor box. These colors used in making watercolor paintings. This is the box of oil pastels. With these colors, we can make more realistic and beautiful artworks. These are acrylic colors. These are thick paints and best for abstract paintings. These are oil paints. Now come to colored pencils. This is double-sided colored pencil. This is Faber-Castell pencil. And this is Apsara pencil. It is thin acrylic color. Most of the time I use these colors for acrylic paintings because they are easy to use. It's quite difficult for beginners to work with acrylic paints because these paints dry too fast. This is color palette. I use this for acrylic colors. This is wooden palette. It is used for oil colors. It is used for watercolor or acrylic color. This is canvas board. It is white acrylic color. I will mention all the links in description so you can purchase them from there. A detailed video on paint brushes, so you can watch that video for types and uses of brushes in detail. This is palette knife. It is used for abstract painting. This is filbert brush. This is flat brush. This is round brush. This is flat brush. It has hard bristles. And this flat brush has soft bristles. It is long handled brush. It's short handled brush.